everybody, it's Juliet from E-Commerce Problem Solvers, and I wanted to share the next bit of information on how to find properties for real estate investment. What I'm going to encourage you all to do is when you're driving around, you see these houses out there, and the houses have maybe board up over the windows, or the grass is overgrown and it's not very well taken care of. Write down the addresses and message me at ecommerceproblemsolvers@gmail.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And email me the address, and I will tell you exactly how to, I will tell you exactly how to search for those properties, and teach you how to find the owner. I'm going to be doing a video in the next few days on how to find, simply find a current owner of a property. I wanted to encourage you all to start to make a list of these properties. Start telling people you're looking to maybe, buy and sell real estate. If you had looked at the contract I loaded the other day, you want to basically look at the exact clause that says that you can't assign the contract to anyone, because this is one of the clauses you're going to want to take out. This contract is a really great base, and I will go through showing how what goes into what on the next video, and show you where to find the legal address and that kind of thing, so you can complete these documents. You have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we are starting to move into a whole bunch of new processes. We're planning on hopping on to Shopify now. And shortly I'm going to be making some other offers through here. So please do me a favor and like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can find out when I'm loading videos. Y'all have a great day. Bye!